In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a text box in Google Docs. This is a super handy tool that can enhance your documents by highlighting key information or organizing content more effectively. It's quite straightforward and will guide you through every step to make it an easy and smooth experience. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Simply type in Google Docs in the search bar and hit Enter. Among the search results, click on the Google Docs link and it'll lead you straight to the main page. If you aren't already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so next. Enter your credentials and log in to access all of your Google documents. Once logged in, you should see a list of your documents. Go ahead and open up the document where you'd like to insert a text box. Now that you have your document open, look towards the top of the page, and on the far left, you'll find the menu bar. You'll want to click on Insert. This is your gateway to adding different elements to your Google Doc, like images, charts, and of course, text boxes. Once you click Insert, hover your mouse over the Drawing option. A submenu will appear, revealing two choices, from Drive and Plus New. You'll want to select Plus New. This will open up a new pop-up window, the Drawing tool. Within this Drawing tool, you'll see a variety of icons in the toolbar. Among these, there's a small icon that resembles a T inside of a box, which represents the text box tool. Click on this text box icon. With the text box tool selected, move your cursor to the drawing canvas. Click and drag your cursor to create a text box of your desired size. You can always adjust this size later, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for your document's layout. Now, type your desired text inside the text box. This might be a title, a block of important information, or anything else you need to highlight. You can customize it further by changing the font, size, or color to match your document's theme or style. Once you're satisfied with how your text box looks, the final step is to click the blue Save and Close button located in the top right corner of the drawing window. This will embed your newly created text box directly into your document. And that's it. You've just inserted a text box into your Google Doc. This simple yet powerful feature can add a lot of clarity and organization to your documents. We hope you find this a valuable tool for your future projects. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.